Hi guys, it's freaking out Andrei, and today it is day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas season 2. I can't believe it's already day 7 and I have all the rest of the days planned in it. And I can't believe it's already ending. It's just so fast. Anyway, I just got this car yesterday. And this is a Cosmic Coupe. It's a very basic generic name for a Hot Wheel. And yeah, there's the front there's the wheels, and it looks like I'll put a picture right here of a demolition. There's a Disney car that actually looks very similar to this. It's in Cars 3, it's in the Thunder Hollow. Lord said to Moses and Aaron, "Moses, bring Aaron to the king's palace or courthouse, whatever, and tell him to bring his staff and drop it onto the ground, and it will become a serpent." Moses was 80 years old and Aaron was 83. Wow, that's an old age. Because before, I just learned that no matter what age you are, you're not gonna pass away early. I think like usually it's only like to 70 to 80, whatever. Aaron dropped the staff in front of all of the officers, broken armed guards. I'm just gonna say, I'm just gonna pretend, armored guards and soldiers with knives and shields. Aaron dropped the stick. The king just laughed, which is very unusual. And then he said, "Magicians, do exactly what this happened." And just like they did, they dropped their stick onto the ground and become a serpent, of course. But Aaron's stick ate all of them up, gobbled. But the king was stubborn and did not let the people go. Then Aaron came back to the Lord and said, "Your plan did work, but we still hadn't gotten the people yet." The Lord said, "Tomorrow the king and his Egyptians will go to the river to drink some water. Tell Aaron to point his stick into the water, or just dip it in there." I don't know why did they say point it, just dip it, bro. Anyway, dip it into the water and it will become slime. In my people's area, there will be no slime in my people. Aaron did exactly what the Lord has said. Dipped his staff in here and it turned into slime. All the fish died, all the plants are dead, poisoned, and all of the Egyptians drink from it, and they just said, "Ugh, this is disgusting." He was stubborn and did not let the people go, just like the Lord had said. So yeah, that's pretty much it for chapter 7 or episode 7 of season 2 of the 12 days of Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy. Make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already. Let me make you part of our channel where when you dip a stick into a water and it will become slime and you will get slimed on the face. Ew, that's disgusting, bro. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Holly jolly Hot Wheels and Jenga Christmas to you all. Bye guys. Bye.